Meaning of foot fault.
Foot fault.
Foot fault.
Foot fault.
Foot fault. A foot fault is a term used in sports, particularly in tennis and basketball. In tennis, it refers to when a player's serving steps onto the baseline or into the court before making contact with the ball. This results in the point being forfeited. In basketball, a foot fault is called when a player moves their pivot foot before dribbling the ball or illegally moving both feet while holding the ball. This results in a turnover and the opposing team gains possession of the ball.